Photo of the day, comparing the sizes of the iPhone SE2 and the compact iPhone 12. In 2020, Apple for the first time will release the flagship iPhone with a reduced display diagonal compared to previous models. According to data from eminent analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, one of the iPhone models will receive a 5.4-inch screen with minimal frames. How compact will such a smartphone be? An image appeared on the internet that shows a clear difference in size between the 5.4-inch iPhone 12, 4.7-inch iPhone SE2 and other models. The image compares two upcoming iPhone models and two already released ones. The smallest flagship 5.4-inch iPhone 12 is located next to the 4.7-inch iPhone SE2, the original iPhone SE and 5.8-inch iPhone 11 Pro. The image shows that the flagship 5.4-inch iPhone 12 will be really compact. It will be slightly smaller than the 4.7-inch models and very slightly larger than the 4-inch iPhone SE. At the same time, users will not have a lack of display area, since the smartphone screen will occupy almost the entire front area of the case. The launch of the flagship with a reduced screen size is a unique case for Apple. Previously, the company from year to year only increased the size of the new iPhone. The only exception was the 4-inch iPhone SE, but this model is not flagship.